door SkyTeam Elite kaartenhouders. Gevolgd door Economy Class passagiers. Wij verwachten het vliegtuig in te stappen om 16 uur en te vertrekken om 16 uur.
Nico, t'es là, t'es sur l'aile.
From the flight deck, Captain van der Heijden. On behalf of the entire crew, welcome aboard our flight to Paris Charles de Gaulle. Still a few minutes to go to scheduled departure time. We're just about ready. I expect to depart maybe 1 or 2 minutes early. Flight time today to Paris 45 minutes, and in the descent I will update you on the flight progress with an arrival time and a weather report. For now, once again, welcome aboard and enjoy your flight.
Mijn naam is Sabine Vink en ik ben op deze vlucht uw purser. Nogmaals hartelijk welkom aan boord van deze KLM-vlucht met bestemming Parijs. Een bijzonder welkom voor onze Flying Blue, SkyTeam Elite Plus en Elite leden. We zijn gereed voor vertrek en we zullen zo uitleg geven over de vliegveiligheidsvoorzieningen aan boord van dit toestel. Dit zullen wij doen in het Engels. Mocht u vragen hebben, dan kunt u deze natuurlijk aan ons stellen. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is Sabine Vink and I'll be your purser on this flight. Welcome on board of this KLM flight with destination Paris. A warm welcome to our Flying Blue, SkyTeam Elite Plus and Elite members. We expect to depart shortly, so in a moment we will explain the flight safety precautions on board this aircraft. And we care about your safety and therefore we ask you to stow the carry-on luggage and larger electronic devices, such as laptops, during taxi takeoff and landing. Small electronic devices may be used at all times when set in airplane mode and secured in your hand or pocket. After selecting airplane mode, feel free to turn on Bluetooth. Make sure your device is visible at all times when charging. Charging of electronic devices is not allowed during taxi takeoff and landing, when your device produces or helping others. In the unlikely event of an evacuation, follow the illuminated escape path to the nearest exit. My colleagues will indicate where the lights and the nearest emergency exits are located. The exit might be behind you. Leave the carry-on luggage behind and follow the instructions of the crew. We advise you to read the instructions on the safety on board card, and you'll find it in the seat pocket in front of you. It is now time for the final cabin check. Please make sure that your tray table has been stowed, that the back of your seat is in the upright position, and make sure electronic devices are disconnected from the onboard power supply. We thank you for your attention, and on behalf of KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines, we'd like to wish you a very pleasant flight. under the seat in front of you. Fasten your seatbelt, adjust the back of your seat to the upright position, disconnect your electronic device and stow your tray tables. We advise you to read the instructions on the safety on board card again. You'll find the card near your seat. In the unlikely event of an evacuation, leave your carry-on luggage behind and follow the instructions of the crew. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be arriving at Terminal 2 Foxtrot. Please check the monitors for the correct gate if you have a domestic connecting flight or other connecting flights. And for passengers who already have a boarding pass, you can proceed directly to the gates. welcome to Paris. Please remain seated. As soon as the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off, you may collect your belongings from the luggage bins. And please take care when opening the luggage bins, so that any hand luggage that may have shifted does not fall out. You may now switch on your phone and other devices. And on behalf of this crew, we thank you for flying with us. We hope to welcome you on board again soon, and we'd like to wish you a very pleasant stay or a good onward journey. En dames en heren, hartelijk welkom op de luchthaven Charles de Gaulle van Parijs. Blijft u als